Right, I'm going to talk to you quickly, just for 2 minutes, about Pentre Bach, because my presentation was on Key Stage 2, but when a load of nursery people came in, I was roped into doing something on foundation phase as well. Pardon?
About 2 minutes like mine.
No, mine will be 2 minutes. Okay, I'll do 2 minutes on this and then I'll show you some Key Stage 2 stuff. Okay, so this is our second Pentre Bach. The first one was a village, and you can go around the village and you can go into the little shops and everything. This time we had so many characters that it was the village grew and it was too big for the screen. So now you can click on each of the characters to get in. Behind each character you're going to have a story, and then a literacy activity and numeracy activity. Okay, so in each of them. Some of them have got a little bit more, so I'm going to start with cobbling and show you. So we always start with a story. All of these are available in Welsh and in English. Okay, so we've got a nice story. You can read it to them, or...
It's Saturday and Mr. Caradog is busy.
Our cross-dressing
We
bit.
must get everything ready for Sunday, he says as he waters the flowers.
Okay, so you get the idea, and you can just move through the story. Or then we've got the activities. So you've got a literacy and a numeracy in this one. Nice thing about this one is we've also got a hymn that we had specially composed for us. So you've got the hymn in Welsh or in English, and I'm going to play a little bit of it in Welsh. You've got a sing-along, and then you've got a karaoke version. So once they've learned the song, I would love this when I was in school. I taught year 6, and I hated singing to year 6 boys because they'd all laugh because you couldn't sing because you were rubbish. So this would have been fab because you just stick it on and say, right kids, sing along. So, here we go. Get the idea, and then track without voices the karaoke one. Okay, come back. www.scoop.it/T and then enhancing literacy in 2 minutes. Okay, that's it. Thank you.